So someone asked me if you could do scrambled eggs in the microwave, and since TikTok changed my life with putting eggs in the microwave, I did 2 eggs this morning and I put them on my paper plate and I just kind of mixed it all up, put them in there with salt and pepper, and that was for 1:30. So I'm gonna put them on my wrap with a little cheese and salsa. I'm gonna have an egg and cheese wrap for breakfast this morning. I'm gonna put some cheese on top. Some salsa. This Mateo's or Mateo, I don't know how you say it. It's so good. It's like homemade salsa, not the stuff with like big chunks. I don't like that. Then I'm just gonna roll it up. Since my scrambled egg part is almost the size of my wrap, I have eggs in every bite. It's so good. Just tuck both ends in, and then you have a breakfast, kind of like a breakfast burrito maybe. So good.